It's a pretty early morning, but today's the day. This is crazy, bro. Wild. Okay, got my 2 cars inside, bro. Let me show you that. I gotta let this run for a little bit. It's pretty much dead. Yo, look at this. Look at this, bro. It's a lake. It's a lake. My Supra was sitting in this, and I was like, this is crazy. This is why I can't drive my cars today, so we'll, dude, this is nuts. I feel like a kid. I'm already wet, so I can just have fun.
Tomorrow.
I got some much needed sleep last night. That was a very long day. We're pretty much, all of our stuff has been moved in. I woke up this morning to birds chirping, and I'm pretty sure I heard my neighbor shooting guns. Texas, baby. So, it's definitely a mess in here. Look at this. This is probably one of my favorite parts. This is a whole wet bar, and I can get all my collection. Wait. Yeah. We was living like cavemen last night, I swear. Had no internet and one 32-inch TV with a DVD player. I'm just kidding. That's definitely not even close at all to a caveman, but we got internet now. I'm really excited. That's a reason why it's taking a little bit to show you guys the house and upload some videos. Here you go. Check out this ugly room, bro. It's yellow. It's yellow. Ah! They didn't even center these 2 things, so we gotta take those down. Victoria's gonna get real fun. She's gonna get real busy with painting. So it's cool and fun and all, but we've got some things to do. We still have a decent amount of stuff at the other house. This is my office, by the way. And it is the coolest place ever. We were like looking at this house. I walked in here, I was like, this is my office for sure. Like, this is my office. I can do whatever the heck I want in here. So many room for activities. Let's go to the house. Gotta bring the GTR, gotta bring the Supra.
Was that from?
Yes.
Yeah.
The R33 is still at Ethan's. I really just wanted to keep it there so I didn't have to just minimize the moving. Let's go. And the blue, bro. The blue gotta go. So for those of you who don't remember, yes, this is a 3-car garage. The last video I explained. So this is a bigger 3-car garage, taller, wider, deeper, which is awesome. So I can continue to do what I do normally. But tomorrow we're gonna start figuring out building a shop. We're probably gonna try and shoot somewhere around 3,000 to 3,500 square feet. I wanna have a couple lifts. I wanna be able to weld. I wanna be able to do all the things necessary for me to basically never have to leave the house except to tune. Which I feel like that's a super accomplishable, great goal to have. All right, who's ready for me to drive the Supra? Oh man, this thing was nasty yesterday. I actually was kind of scared for a bit that it was gonna have some flooding. Like, I mean, the water was so high. Let's go ahead and see, hopefully she starts. I haven't been able to drive this thing lately, so let's get it. There we go. Very nice. All right, you guys psyched about the drive? Yeah. Good old soup action. Dude, I love this banner. It blocks so much sun. Like, it's just such a nice, cozy cockpit with the banner. It's amazing. I love the way this car sounds too, bro. It's crazy. All right, here we go. And wait a second. Wait a second. Yeah, I'm not driving this. The drive is long. It's like over 30 minutes away. And I would drive the car, it's fine, but it needs a retune. We changed the exhaust, and so we tuned the car, then we changed the exhaust. Maybe something happened with the FPR, but the car hits a wall of fuel, and it also stalls out at every light. Stalling is probably because of the downpipe change, so it does stall out. So I just need to retune. We're gonna go to Trackstar and do injectors and a new tune, and probably try and hit 500 to 600 horse with this stock GE. But yeah, I'm not driving this car right now. But we do got a trailer behind us, and you know what that means, though. Yeah! Trailer Tom's back, baby! We're bringing the Supra, baby! That's Japanese muscle! We got some damn Japanese muscle back there! Betsy!
Hi, y'all.
a truck.
This car is great for towing, but it has no tow mirrors. And I have to have that wide angle because I have no idea where my tires are. But other than that, Trailer Tom is a beast.
Y'all, I feel so bad because anytime we trailer and like have to back up, my anxiety just goes crazy. And he always just kills it every time. But Supra, done. Home.
Yo, little homie is like, he wanted to just chill in the Tahoe. All right, watch out. Oh God! Wow. Wow, that scared me real bad. That scared me real bad. Okay, now that the Supra is in, we gotta grab the R35, which I'm particularly excited about because there's a lot of cool windy roads out in the country. All right, let's have some fun in this sucker. I got a little investment I did for you guys. Since y'all were bitching about seeing my ugly face when I'm driving, I'm gonna put this really ugly thing on my head so you guys can see what I'm saying. This is gonna be super interesting because this car's been throwing a trans code lately and Ethan needs to literally rip the trans out and replace a few sensors, so I've been having some codes being thrown. So I hope this thing makes it there in one piece. I'm really excited to drive this though because I haven't driven it very much lately. Just because of that. Yeah, baby. Yeah, buddy. I love this car so much. Ooh, I need some gas. I need some gas. Boo! Boo! Yeah! Man, I love the Autobahn, bro. That's crazy. Little flex on this RX-8 right here. Ooh, nice wing, bro. I actually think that was just something aluminum off of eBay. All right, let's get some gas. All right, quick little pit stop. Mustang pulled up next to me. He don't want this smoke. I feel like I'm about to get trans code. Oh, I always fear there's a police station right here. It's kind of a bummer. This car feels really slow on 93. It makes like 650 or so on E85. And then I'm pretty sure on 93 it's probably like 580 or less. It feels poopy. Oh, we got a bridge coming up, boys. You already know what that means. Yes, sir. Yes, sir! I'm really surprised I haven't gotten the code yet, because I've done that a lot. So I remember the first time I threw a code, I drove all the way to Ethan's, it was about an hour away. And then I actually just reset the battery. Like I didn't even reset anything. I didn't even reset the battery, I turned the car off and back on, it was fine. And then I drove the car back, and then I drove it for probably an hour and a half, 2 hours total, and then it kind of came on again as I was just cruising. Not as I was going crazy, but cruising. And then, oh, it hasn't come on since. I reflashed the trans. I did a different trans map that's a little more aggressive, ironically, and it's worked. It actually has been really good. But I gotta say, dude, this car on 93 has a tough time breaking these 335s. I'm gonna have to get a service that ships fuel to me. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but definitely a sponsorship would be super nice, for sure. It'd be nice to have a brand of fuel on the channel. But yeah, I'm gonna need some E, dude. I mean, we are out here, bro. We are out deep. Swear if I get this code right now, I'm about to have fun. I mean, pissed. Pissed. actually okay because I do actually need to read what the code is to make absolutely sure that it is what we think it is. So, shoot, man. I actually might just try. I'm gonna read the code and see if like disconnecting the battery does anything. Because what it's gonna do now is, since one of my gear set sensors is bad, it only lets me go into 2, 4, 6, which is a set of gears. And so I cannot go in 1, 3, or 5, which also makes my speed like really slow. Like I cannot drive fast at all. So this is a super normal issue, by the way, for GTRs. Like literally every year GTR has this. A lot of people are like, oh, you got 09, 010, 012, 12. Ethan has done this exact issue on like 2017s before. So let's read what it is. Okay, dude, how do I, okay. How do you, let's read what kind of code she's throwing, baby. Read codes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Trans. P. Pressure control solenoid B stuck on. That is exactly what we're about to change. Let's see if we can just like reset the battery. Oh, she pretty. Pretty dumb. Ow. So I'm gonna disconnect Negativo. Oh, that's way looser than I thought it was gonna be. For 10 seconds. Last time I left this thing off for like literally 10 seconds, it was good. So TMS check. TMS check was passed. Look at that, nice. Instead of sitting here remapping the trans for 15 minutes, we got it. Sick. Solenoid stuck open. That is, you know what's great about that? That solenoid from Nissan is about $1,000. Now granted, I can buy it for way less, but that solenoid, literally a sensor, oil pressure sensor that I'm pretty sure Honda, it's the exact same one Honda makes. It's about 25 bucks. Nissan will sell it to you for $1,000 because why? Supercar. Gonna do some R mode on, engaged. Dude, people literally will drive these corners like 15 miles an hour. It's so annoying. Oh, it did it again. No! Yeah, I said heck it, bro. It's not very fun to drive right now. This is gonna take a fat minute, bro. Oh my God. Ain't gonna lie, Chief, I got the worst headache in the world. Nice. All right, well, we made it, baby. Let's get a good family picture of all the cars out in front of the house. Well, we're missing the skyline, but I got two of my best babies just right here with me. Hell yeah, bro. I love that. I could probably just survive with these two cars right here. I love my Skyline to death. Man, I love these two cars right here. Love these two cars to death. Dream car, and then just a good, sick car. But you know how it goes. When you're building cars, sometimes things just happen. And things have happened to several of the cars. I gotta back up this driveway, bro. I think someday, when we get my Z or one of my drift cars running again, I'm gonna make a video drifting my full driveway. I'm gonna link it. I'm telling you, bro. I am so excited about the things I can do at this place, the content I can create, the cars I can build. I'm really excited to try and get this moving. It's still the weekend for me. It's been a long few days, so you guys are seeing this a little after whenever I filmed all this, but I'm hoping 2020 is our best year yet, and we can build the sickest possible cars and just have a lot of fun and have no limits here on this property. We did this little guy this last year. I guess Supra's a 2020 car, and damn, was that a good car to start off with. Next, we got the lift, and we just gotta set up the garage, and we're good to just keep going. Because I don't know if I told you guys this, but I did buy another car, and it's gonna be here, and it's coming from Japan. I'm psyched. You know, this isn't like necessarily about me or anything, but this is just especially with what's going on right now in the world, you know, COVID, this and that. It's really easy to look at somebody else and tell them what they're not doing. Or it's really easy to look at somebody else and see what you think they should do with their time, their money, their businesses. Before you try and tell somebody what to do with their own time and their money, check yourself. It's easy to say, well, oh, Jeff Bezos, flex man out here with billions, like the richest man in the world, he should be doing this, he should be doing that. What are you doing? What are you doing aside from going on social media and doing not a thing? It's really easy to say, well, I don't make enough money to donate. I don't do this. I don't have this or this or this or this. No such thing. I have lived my whole life by the 80-10-10 rule. Keep 80%, save 10%, donate 10%. Now, guys, you got to remember, when I started YouTube, when I graduated college, when I was paying bills, I made $500 that month. Crazy. I made less money than my bills. I did. But guess what? Still donated $50 that month because I have always gone with the rule of 80-10-10. With all that being said, my point is, before you tell somebody what to do with their life and their money, check yourself first. What are you doing? Are you even doing what you're asking somebody else to do? Have you ever even tried? So that's just something, and that's something like on a deep thinking level. If what I just said makes you mad, you're probably hella guilty of it. And it's okay because a lot of people are. The first step to getting better is admitting that you're wrong. That's a really helpful tip that you guys should probably write down too. But I love you guys, and I can't wait just to do. I'm gonna keep giving you guys updates, by the way, with what we're doing. But man, whew, let's get this garage set up soon. Peace, guys. Hey, I got 2 videos, baby. Trailer Tom wants you to know I got 2 videos right in front of you. It really helps whenever you keep watching our channel. It's just, you know, YouTube likes that. And YouTube likes nobody. So, you know, you should probably just do what YouTube likes and keep watching my videos.